Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Kaspa itself. We're going to be having a discussion regarding as to what's happening with Kaspa and of course what is yet to come, looking across the market. Going into Friday morning, once again, a lot of red. A few coins that are up, of course, but majority of the market is in red. And speaking about being in red, it kind of coincides with what's happening with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at the neckline itself, guys. We're sitting at some very key support level, and if you look at it from a grand scheme of things, Bitcoin is not looking good as of now. So with that said, of course, that kind of a momentum and that kind of emotions are being felt within the altcoins. Looking at Kaspa, it has done exactly what we spoke about yesterday, currently sitting at 14.9 cents, down 2.4% in USD and about 1.3% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap is at about 3.67 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 51.4 million. Before I get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So we're going to take a look at, the Bitcoin dominance index to really understand what's happening with the dominance index. So if you're looking at the dominance index right now, it actually pulled down. So pretty much not much has changed for the dominance. But what did end up changing was that, Bitcoin actually saw a 55K retest once again, causing the altcoins to obviously react to that. But I do expect that dominance could actually shoot up to another yearly high. It's pretty much on the verge of breaking out. So in terms of excitement within that range, I don't think that is exciting as of now. But with that said, let's take a look at what's happening with the price of Bitcoin. So look at this, guys. Bitcoin actually did retest $55,500 today. Of course, now it's Friday, it's past midnight here in North America, but we actually did see a retest down to 55K. So it's pretty much holding at the neckline of these supports that kind of date back to obviously the year of 2021, previous all-time highs. But if this support is lost, guys, it's pretty much, going down to 53,400 at that point. I wouldn't be shocked if the price of Bitcoin goes all the way down. Some people are already projecting a retest down to the August 4th lows. Some people are actually projecting that, we could see Bitcoin once again retest August, 4th and 5th lows that we did see down to $49,000. And I predicted that move. You can literally go watch those videos. I literally called that specific move. And as of now, I think the reality is definitely there. Maybe we do see that retest and then see the market recovering, depending on how the FOMC meeting goes. But with that said, if you're looking at Kaspa, Kaspa is not reacting, in a good way, of course. Now, you have seen the price of Kaspa break below the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. It actually made its way down to 14.5 cents, which of course is a key levels of support around this range. But mainly why we did see this wick all the way towards the downside is because Bitcoin, like I said, did touch $55,500. And of course, if you guys know, Kaspa is not going to be an exception. It's going to react to that momentum, and we can definitely see that happening here. We're seeing a little bit of a green candle forming. Obviously, a lot of resistance around this range. Kaspa has seen, moves below this key support line before. I spoke about this in the last update. We even seen the likes of 12.5 cents being retested. And as of now, that stays as a valid, conversation to be having. A lot of people are having a discussion revolving around the August 5th. And speaking about August 5th lows, like I said, and I'll say it again, if Bitcoin retests this low, let me put this into perspective, that would be a move of about 13%. Usually what happens to altcoins is altcoins get impacted, double. But let's say, Kaspa drops about 16 to 17% from that level. Where would that put the price of Kaspa at? That would put the price of Kaspa at literally almost at that 12.5 cents mark. You can't make this up. So, to the people that are thinking that, the price of Kaspa going back down to this level is an unrealistic thing to be talking about, absolutely not. You guys know on this channel, I don't make things up. I keep it 100% realistic. If things were looking mega bullish, I would completely straight up say that, which I always do. But as of now, things are not looking bullish, and that is due to the king, which is Bitcoin, and we cannot change any of that. And, you could really sense the weakness within the price of Kaspa as well, because we haven't seen the price of CAS above this key resistance for pretty much over a month now, and that wasn't even a big move for Kaspa to do when it was already in the 61.8. It was unable to get back above that range. So that tells you everything you need to know, that the weakness within Kaspa right now is definitely being felt. So that is something that you need to keep in mind. So obviously the main support next is around the 13.5 cents mark, but pay very close attention to Bitcoin to see what Bitcoin does. I think we do see choppiness pretty much over the next week, and then leading up to the news, I think we could see a little bit of a relief within the markets, but in terms of getting excited, that's not the time right now. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? And watch out for these spam comments, guys. There's so many spam comments. It's just absolutely getting crazy. I think I found a fix to it, but obviously these spammers, I don't know what they do. They're going to come somehow. So you never want to be sending your crypto to anyone. You always want to keep your crypto to yourself. And if anyone's telling you to call them on WhatsApp or whatever, they're going to give you like some crazy, gains. Let me tell you, that is all a scam. That is all a scam. Just stay away, watch the video, like it, subscribe, and leave. That's it. Simple as that. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.